Are your localized graphics processing logic application failing because of the Blur module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Blur module, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Blur module, a specialized library providing high-performance Gaussian and box blur image processing routines. It is used by photo editors and video post-processing tools to apply real-time visual effects. Missing versions of this file prevent the software from executing blur commands, often causing an application hang or an arithmetic exception during image rendering. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Because Blur module DLL is specific to the localized graphics processing logic, runtime environment standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program, where the error occurs, to refresh the application and restore the file. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Blur module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Most individual downloads of Blur module DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Blur module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Blur module functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.